So this is the U-joint the next day. I'm sorry for all the jiggly wiggly, but that's what it looks like, the new U-joint. Still got some. I think I'm going to need to replace this drive shaft because of all this wear here, and figure out how to replace or fix this yoke because of all the wear there. And then this clamp or strap or whatever they call that, one of these has got all kinds of wear on it there. But it sounds 100% better driving it now. So I may be heading west because it's been in the, I'm still trying to sleep in a tent. It got down into the 30s last night, and I'd been sitting around in Shane's RV yet again, and I said, mind if I crash on your floor another night? So it's warmer at night in west of Tucson and toward Yuma and in Yuma, and I'm probably going to head that way. But I feel better with this now.